Hello and welcome back to my channel. So before you start this project, you're going to want to put a level on that tub to make sure everything's pretty close to being level. Okay, so what I do is I mark 40 inches from the base of the tub to that top. I get a level and I strike a line on two sides of the wall and on the back wall. You're going to want to go pretty close with your waterproof Kerdi. I'm using Schluter to the top of that tub. I usually leave a 1/4 inch gap or a 1/8 gap, and then I use a Kerdi fix the next day to, it's like a silicone to stick it to the tub. And you're going to want to strike a line 1/4 inch from the outside of that tub up, and that's where your Kerdi's going to stop. But I am going to tile to the edge. There is going to be a glass door installed when I'm done tiling. So take a measurement of the width of your two side and the back wall. And make sure you leave about a 1/2 inch to 1 inch in the corner. So say if it's 28 inches, you can go 27.5. Or in this case, okay, yeah, it's 29, but I'm going 28.5. So I'm gonna have to cut 4 of those for two sides of the wall and 2 for the back. And just take a quick measurement of your back, and you're gonna dock off again a 1/2 inch in the corners. So that'll be 58 inches. And just mark it on your wall. I need 2 of those for the back wall. And I haven't pre-cut, so there's 2 there for the back wall. And there should be 4 for the 2 side walls. So you see how I do this all the time.
But today it's just a relaxing.
Just let me finish talking over here. And anyways, I'll show you a quick one for the side wall. I'm sorry I can't turn my camera. There's people working on the outside there, and there's no door on. I'm not using that's my DJ trowel. I just use the that side to get all the air bubbles out. And that's my Kerdi trowel. Remember, mix your cement a little more loose than a pancake batter when you're installing your Kerdi. And just finish your other side of the wall. It's going to be a little tricky here, for you're going to have to cut out 1 top and 2 lines. So you're going to need to take your time with this. Make sure you get all your bubbles out. So just go back and forth, up and down, and use your trowel at the ends when you're all done doing the bubbles, getting all the bubbles out. Okay. Grab yourself your tape measure. Let me just adjust this up for you. And take a measurement to the top to that line. Remember, the width of Kerdi is 39 3/4. So it's almost close. So I believe it's 38.5 or 39 there. I think it's a ½ inch or more. I can't really see from this distance. Okay. 1 for the back wall and 2 for the sides. And just going to time lapse this. Okay, this is my last stage of my Schluter install. So I'm putting my Kerdi band in the corners. So let's just cut it up to size from top to bottom, make a measurement. Just like that. Make a mark at the bottom. And use your knife and cut that Kerdi band. There's your mark. And you're going to need 2 of those. Again, just spread your cement in the corner and use your Kerdi trowel. And fold your Kerdi band in half equally and work your way from the top to the bottom. Okay, everyone. That wasn't so bad. And rule of thumb, never sit down on the edge of a tub when there's full of compound so you don't get any compound on your ass. Thank you. Have a good day.